Have you ever wondered how to withdraw money from Wealthsimple account, especially from TFSA or RRSP? Whether you're cashing out some gains or moving money back to your bank account, this step-by-step guide will walk you through the entire withdrawal process in just few minutes. If you find this video helpful, make sure to like the video, and if you want more tutorials like this, subscribe to the channel for more helpful content. Let's get started. First, open the Wealthsimple app on your phone. Now, tap on the account you want to withdraw money from, whether it's your TFSA, RRSP, or personal account. Let's pause here for a second because this part is important. If you're withdrawing money from TFSA, remember, you won't be taxed, but your contribution room only resets the following year. That means if you withdraw now and recontribute the same year, you could accidentally overcontribute, which may lead to penalties. If you are withdrawing from RRSP, be aware. Withdrawals are taxed. The amount you take out is subject to withholding tax immediately and will be added to your income for the year, which might bump you up into a higher tax bracket depending on your total income. Once you've selected the account, tap the Move Money button. On this screen, tap Choose Destination. If your bank account isn't already linked, tap Link a new account and follow the on-screen instruction to connect it. Once you have selected your bank account, tap Next. On this screen, enter the amount you want to withdraw. Just make sure it is less than or equal to the available amount shown on the screen. Note, if you have just sold an investment, the funds won't be available right away. Wealthsimple needs few business days to settle the trade. If you try to withdraw too soon, the money won't be available. Just check back in a couple of days. If your funds are available for withdrawal, tap Next. You will now see a summary screen. Review all the details carefully: the amount, the account, and the destination bank. If everything looks good, tap Submit, and that's it. The money will now be deposited into your bank account in about 1 to 3 business days. Thanks for watching. I hope this video helped you understand how to withdraw money from your Wealthsimple account the right way, and the implications if you're using TFSA or RRSP. If you found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up. And if you want more investing and personal finance tutorials, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Catch you in the next video.